Fortuna GR Sport, the luxury of freedom unleashed.
FNB Stadium namhlanje Kaizer Chiefs abaya ke ku number 2 weBetway Premiership emveni kokuzitshwatyushela iOrbit College ngamanqaku amane kwelinye, scoring more than 2 goals for the first time this season, and it's important because now bawuhlala ku number 2. They are level on points with first place Mamelodi Sundowns. And you don't need to look at the log. You just need to look at the face of Umachaka. Yeah. And it's written all over his face. Kaizer Chiefs are sitting pretty phezulu. Sharks and Sharks.
Jay.
Hey, you're so hip, my man.
Yeah, no, we'll be glowing.
Yes, the last time I saw you glowing, Kanje.
Yeah, we're glowing.
We were together at Durban early this year, I think around June. After the Nedbank
final.
Yes, that was the last time I saw you this happy.
Absolutely.
Now you are so happy. You're looking so happy, Sharks and Sharks. Modern Sharks. Kunjani?
Like happiness, Shane. And you can't deny us this kind of happiness, my brother. Yeah, and you need to give credit.
Yes.
Yeah, all around. From Limpopo to Cape Town, from Cape Town to Durban, from Durban to Mpumalanga, back to Northwest, and
oh,
Gauteng, my brother. This is how the Tlama Boys plays. One sort, left, right, center, wings, in the middle of the park, all those kind of things. Halfway, in the halfway as well, and even in the poles. It means nowadays teams will be very much scared to face the Pefini Tlama Boys. But firstly, before we talk about the game, champion himself, Masilo Machara Mutokwana, all the time, always. Tagor Blue, no change. Khurute Chasto, Khurute Nguluks, Khurute the Bobza, Khurute Lindo Pep. Agahawa is out. But little Agahawa is out. I'll just say hi to Agahawa, even though he's out. Because of now, I can tell you, my brother, that I'm thinking about happiness, my brother. Thanks very much that the Tlama Boys has done. They've done their part tonight, beating Orbit College. Orbit College, I think they came to FNB Stadium thinking about the draw, especially in the first half. In the first half, we lacked that agency, and the ball that we were playing, it was not a Chiefs way kind of football that we know. So Razamilo changed, even though we got a goal in the first half. Mudu Chavala credit. I can tell you the boy after scoring that goal, assist from Munyani. Before Munyani, it was Vilagaze who scored a brilliant goal. To Munyani scored the ball, and to Chabalala with a kind and calm situation that he did. You could even see that goal. The keeper didn't do anything. It reminds of a goal between Sundowns and Paradise. I don't know who scored, while the keeper just stood and did nothing. I'm not sure if it's part of Sundowns, but you know the story, my friend. I'm not talking about it. I'm talking about Chiefs and Orbit. So the players, my brother. That's what I'm saying. I think that's what I'm saying. After scoring that goal, when you looked up there, I said he's watching something. Maybe the current coach of Bafana is there. And I was correct to say that because on Thursday he'll be announcing the squad. And you know the story why he was there and why we performed the way we played. So it means we're expecting nothing but few Chiefs players. I don't want to say much. Who, but I can tell you why Hugo Bruce is there, because tonight he saw a different Kaizer Chiefs. He saw how we play. He saw how we scored 4 goals. So when last did you score a goal? 4 goals. You can just imagine. Yes, scored against Zimba. Started with Zimba last week, last time. Then now it's Orbit College. So in the first half, yes.
Now who's next, Chucks?
No, I don't know. You can ask others bomb squad here. Who's next? Don't ask me. So me, I'm just. You can see, man. I'm feeling it tonight.
I can see.
Yeah, whoever comes is okay. We take each game as it comes. Anyone that comes, I don't know who's coming, but whoever's coming, he must thoroughly look into himself to say, who am I going to face? I'm going to face the most formidable side, the Tlama Boys. But also let's talk about the goals against Vilagazi, Fundo Vilagazi. you must take each game as it comes, bit by bit, gradually improving. You can see. But in the first half, he was not there. I don't know, but in the second half, in the change room, maybe they said something to these players. Yeah. I mean, you can even see how they changed the style of play and how they wanted to go forward, make sure that they score goal. The only thing that was happening with the Orbit College, Salene was off today. Salene was off tonight. Saleh, because he always passed the ball backwards, he was losing the ball. The passes was not accurate. But the introduction of Lukele, he made some difference. Even though he scored a goal, but he beat them 4-1. But you could even see in how he changed the game. Even that goal, I think our defense was supposed to do better. Especially Aiden McCarthy. I don't know why you can't leave the striker like that. You must challenge the striker all the time, my brother. So, but that's what I'm saying, Shane. I don't want to say much because tonight we won, and I can tell you that the Glamour Boys are happy. The supporters will be coming again in Lanjanaba to come and watch Glamour Boys. I mean, Quiniga, let's keep Quiniga as well. The coach mustn't replace Quiniga. But another thing, it's after that, the Villagers scored the goal. Why did he replace him? I thought he was going to leave the young man. Leave him, let him enjoy the game. Because it's 4-1. Let him enjoy. The introduction of Sirino, yes, I understand about Modi and the stuff, taking out our Mtetwa. But yeah, that's what I'm saying. All in all, we played a very good football tonight. That's what I'm saying. Chiefs is promising. We are the second on the log. The only difference with me and the number one is the goals. 5 goals. Nothing is different. Nothing. Whoever is on top, then Adam says nothing.
There's no difference between you and a team that's sitting on top, Chucks.
There's nothing. There's no difference. The only difference is goals, my brother. You know, if they say we don't count goals, we count their performance, I'll be number one. I'll take them to the second spot. I'm telling you, Shay. Absolutely, Marcos. Thanks very much to Glamour Boys. You know what? We made us happy. That's what I'm saying. You can see that at the end of the tunnel. And I can tell you, I told you about the top 5 this season.
I know. Is it top 5 or is it top 3 or is it top 2?
No. Don't talk about top 3. I'm telling you. I'm saying.
Chucks, you can't say I must not talk about top 3 when you're number 2 on the log.
We are the one who supporting Kaizer Chiefs.
Chucks, we
are telling you. Don't ask. We are telling you that let's look at top 5. Top 5, you can be number 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5.
Chucks, you're number 2.
Yes, I understand that.
You're supposed to be talking about top 2.
No. I'm talking about the top 5.
Are you scared, Chucks? There?
No, I'm not scared of anybody.
Are you sure?
I'm not scared, all of us. You've got Cross there on the left side, playing very well. I can tell Mlungu is, gradually improving as well. You've got Munyani that is back as well. You've got Kele there and Mtetwa. Even some today, Kele was not himself. I don't know why. It was, I don't know. He was off Kele. But in the second half, he came a little bit. But not Kele that we know. Not Kele that we
Not Kele that played against Durban City last
week. No. But I'm saying, some other players, they came to the party. Yes, they came to the party as well. So all in all, my brother Shane, we played a very good football. That is why we were able to score a lot of goals. They were supposed to get 8.
You saw Coach Hugo Bros there, and after going to interview, you said unetembo ukuthi Coach Hugo Bros was there. Usibonile yonke la libiphekwa iKaizer Chiefs namhlanje.
Absolutely.
So Oxum Mtetwa, Chucks. Plus, we are just a month away from the AFCON.
Yeah.
Are you expecting to see his name there?
I don't think so. Truly speaking, I must be honest with you about Mtetwa. I don't think Hugo Bruce will select him. He might select Mtu Shabalala. Yes, I can agree with you. But in terms of Mtetwa, I'm not, because you've got other players that are playing well to their different teams. Yes, Mtetwa on the Kaizer Chiefs side, yes, but you must just solve that passing department. You understand? Yeah, not passing backwards, not passing to the opponent. Yes, in terms of interception, it's very good. In terms of man marking, is very good. You understand? That is just only those things that he must just fix going forward. Maybe next year or some other AFCON that is coming. I don't know when. Maybe he might be considered. But what I'm trying to say is not now. But Mtu Shabalala, you can see that they're improving. So that's what I'm saying. Bruce was there to watch beautiful. And also our keeper, he made a good save.
Brandon
Peterson. Yeah. There's improvement there. Unlike Peterson that we knew before, but today's Peterson has changed as well. It means our goalkeeping department as well, they are working very, very, very hard. Also, Silva Barada, whenever he comes, it's a sub, he scored a goal. He scored 4 goals now. Yeah, he must keep on counting. Striker, but Igodaro was not here. He was not himself today. But yes, he had assist, but with the goal for Shabalala. but he was not in the game tonight. But I can tell you, Silva, whenever he comes, he give us something. He also scores some goals. Credit to him as well, my brother. That's what I'm saying. How we change the style of play that we are playing now. These guys, they want to fight as a team. They want to fight as a unit, and they do whatever they want to do. So you can't say anything, Shane, about the Klama boys. The fighting spirit is there. You can even see when they score. You can even see the smile, how they hold the ball. Even Chabalala, even Villagas, how they go forward. This kind of football that we want from the Klama boys. Yampili score a lot of goals. Silence the critics, man. Let's bring Kaizer Chiefs where it belongs, my brother. Glory days are back.
Sharks and Sharks.
Yes, my brother.
Yeah, you're saying your players are smiling a bit. It's not just them about smiling. Now you're smiling, Sharks.
Absolutely. I must smile. And the smile that we are giving you is a free smile.
Thank you so much, Sharks and Sharks. Bese bukele game ke Kaizer Chiefs namhlanje ebethala FNB Stadium ne-Orbit College lapho ke Kaizer Chiefs ethe yasibethela khona ke i-Orbit ngamanqaku amane 4 goals to 1 ye-Orbit. Kaizer Chiefs now moving second on the log, level on points with Mamelodi Sundowns. Only difference besithi ngamagoli nje ayi5 uCharks and Sharks. Otherwise to Sharks if bengabala amagoli bekubala points uthi team yakhe yena ngeke ngaphambili kuMamelodi Sundowns because uthi there's no difference between Kaizer Chiefs and Mamelodi Sundowns this season. Well, that's it. Thank you so much for watching Diski TV.
Tango.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami Lindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Diski TV. Tango.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Diski TV.